Hello, let's see how to use the survey library and how to use the questions library in one-click survey. In the library we can find and reuse ready-made 1KA questions and surveys, as well as save our own questions and surveys in the library for easy reuse. First we want to look at the survey library, which is located in the My Surveys Library tab. In the Public Library tab we find surveys from various thematic groups. For example, the folder 1KA Surveys and Questions contains examples of using advanced modules, e.g. quiz and conditions. Surveys can be opened by clicking on Preview or used as a template for our own survey by clicking on Copy. In the My Library tab, we can find surveys that we have saved in the library. An individual survey can be saved to the library in the My Surveys tab by clicking on the three dots to the right of the survey and checking My Library. Now let's look at the question library, located in the Edit Questionnaire tab, under Question Types in the left menu. Questions are added to the library in the Question Editor in the Advanced tab by clicking Add to Library. We can name the questions as desired and save them in the desired folder, then we click Add to Library. Added questions can be found in the Single Questions tab in the My Questions folder, from where they can be copied into any survey we've created. The question can be previewed by clicking on the monitor icon to the right of the question. We can add questions to the survey by checking them and clicking on the Add to Survey button. The questions we checked are added to the end of the survey. From there we can manually move them to the desired location. We can also add subfolders to the folder and move questions to subfolders using the drag and drop function. By clicking on the three dots next to the question can be removed or renamed. Blocks and conditions can be added to the library in the same way. This is useful if you want to add several questions at once to reuse them in a new survey. In the tab Single Questions, in the folder Public Questions, there are subfolders with ready-made questions from various thematic groups. 1KA question types with basic and advanced question layouts, customer satisfaction, demographic, education, marketing, scales, and work environment questions. There are two main folders in the Questions in Surveys tab. From the My Surveys folder, we can add questions to the survey from all the surveys that we have added to My Library. From the folder Public Surveys, we can add all questions from surveys that are available in the public library. This was a display of using the library in one-click survey.